Welcome to NDN Art Books. Hi friend, welcome back. Today is another drawing and painting we make. Let us draw a cute butterfly. Let us draw first the eyes. And then next is the face, the smile mouth, and the body and the tummy, and the big tail, and the antennae. And then the next is the forewing and the hind wing. And we will put circle here and another circle inside and the same circle right here. And we will put circle on the hind wing. And done sketching. And now let us start coloring the forewing with the color yellow. And still the same color for the forewing. And now let us color the circle with the color red, but with the other side color red. And now we will color the inner circle with the color blue. And now we will color the hind wing with the color green. And then we will color the body and the tummy with the color red. And we will color the tail with the color of gold and yellow. And then the face with the color of pink. And then the circle of the hind wing with the color of pink. that we put color is the two big eyes with the color orange. Since we forgot to put legs in the hands, now let's add the hands and legs. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until our next video, bye.